get outside in 2021. Yeah. Hey guys, we're at the Houston Arboretum and Nature Center. Actually, the Nature Center is right behind us. A bunch of Cub Scouts are there. But it's a Sunday afternoon. It's a little gloomy, but it's still a nice day for to go out and enjoy nature. So we're just gonna take a little stroll through the woods here. Hey, Mom.
Hey. It's like we're following the yellow brick road.
We're off to see the wizard, the magical Wizard of Oz. Wait, that's not right. So we are in nature. It's kind of swampy. That's why they have these boardwalks. But if you can listen, you can hear Interstate 610 just off the side.
Yeah.
Emmett Circle. Catherine Mary Emmett, dedicated to her. We have little programs here. There are several little trails, and it is very well marked to tell you which direction to go. And then here we are at the Wetland Field Station. Kind of tell you some of the critters that live here. Things you can do. Changes over time, and you can actually look through these little tubes to focus in on something.
It's scary.
Yeah, it's a nice little note for those of you that don't know what could be poisonous for you out here. You can see here, termites got this dead tree. It's gonna fall over any minute now. They do actually serve a purpose. So we went to the wetland field station. Now this is the woodland field station. It's a little more woody. See some possums and squirrels and woodpeckers. Some flying squirrels even? What? Got some copperheads. Those are definitely dangerous. Look at the difference in the Arboretum over time. That's wonderful. I just saw this, that the trees that fall down here, they reuse them and they save them, and that's actually what these structures are made from. They're made from reclaimed wood from the trees that have fallen because of floods or droughts. Even this cool bench that Mom's sitting on. Very cool. All right, guys, so this is the biggest park in the city, and it's, you know, the third largest city in America, and it's a Sunday afternoon, so people are starting to show up. It's starting to get a little crowded. Got a lot of kids, a lot of people walking their dogs. So we decided to go ahead and skidoo. So we need to get some water. So let me just remind you to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures.